Take a minute of your time and imagine the world without mathematics. Teaching platform, this is Mr. Mlonga, aka the teacher. My pupils calls me the teacher. We are here to do mathematics indeed. Be ready for the lesson that is coming forth. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe so that every time we post a video, you are the first to be notified. We'll be posting videos every day. In this lesson, I want to talk about the point of intersection. We are talking about the point of intersection for the two lines that are plotted on the x or y plane. But we are not provided with the same lines here. We are actually provided with their linear equations. If this linear equation was to be plotted on the x or y plane, and this one is also plotted, there will be a point where they meet if they have to. When they meet at that point, then we can be able to find the coordinates of the point at which they meet. And such a point is what we call the point of intersection, the point of meeting, the meeting point. It also means that at such a point, then the value of y should be equal to the value of the other y. Okay? The value of x should also be equal to the value of that other x. That is the meaning. So to answer A, we are saying at the point of intersection, then y is equal to y. If this y is for this equation, then we can substitute and say for x plus 2 is equal to y, this other y, which is 3x minus 4. From there, you collect the like terms. You say 4x minus 3x is equal to negative 4 minus 2. From there, subtract on the left, you have x is equal to negative 6 on the right. After that, you now look for the value of y because x has been found at the point of intersection. Pick one of these two equations. You say y is equal to 4x plus 2. We said at the point of intersection, these values are supposed to be equal. So we are now looking for the value of y. We say y is equal to 4 times x. Our x is negative 6 plus 2. Then y is equal to negative 24 plus 2. Negative 24 plus 2 is going to be y is equal to negative 22. At the point of intersection for these two, the coordinates are negative 6, negative 22. That is the answer that we will look for. So this is the point of intersection for these two equations. Then we can go to B. For B, in the same vein, we can say y is equal to y. So this y is 2x minus 1, hence we say 2x minus 1 is equal to the other y. This y is not known, so what do? We have to find the value of this y, or express y as a subject of the formula. So to do that, we are saying 7y equals negative 3x plus 15. Divide by 7, divide by 7, divide by 7. Then you have y is equal to negative 3 over 7, x plus 15 over 7. These have gone. After that, this is now the value of y for this. So in place of y, we write that. We say negative 3 over 7x plus 15 over 7. After doing that, collect the like terms. You have 2x plus 3 over 7x equals 15 over 7 plus 1. Plus 1. Then from there, the lowest common denominator there is 7. 7 times 2x is going to be a 14x. 14. 14x plus 3x is equal to 7. 15 plus 7. 7, 15 plus 7, like that. Then, from this point now, 14x plus 3x is going to be 17x. So we have 17x over 7 equals 15 plus 7 is going to give us 22 over 7. At this point, the denominators are equal, so you can cancel them out. You say divide throughout or multiply throughout by 7. 7 times this will cancel this, and even in that case, so we have 17x is equal to 2. Divide by 17 here, even there by 17, you have this and that going, hence this gives us x is equal to 2 over 17. Just the way it is as an improper fraction, you substitute into one of those equations so that you can now find the value of x. We used this for making y the subject of the formula, so I can remove this part to avoid confusion so that we can now be able to find the value of y. To find the value of y, pick one of these two equations, substitute for x, and you should be able to find the value of y. I'm sure it will be easier to use this one because y is already the subject of the formula, and we say y is equal to 2 times x. Our x is this 22 over 7. Over 7 minus 1. Then from there, we have this is equal to 44 over 7. Is it 44 over 7? It's actually 44 over 17. This and that. That is not 7, that is actually 17. We are picking this. Then minus 1. Lowest common denominator, 17. 17 into 17, 1. 1 times 44, 44. 1 into 17, 1. 1 into 17, 17. 17 times 1, 17. Then from there, you can subtract. You have this y. Y is going to now be equal to 14 minus 7 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 27 over 17. That is the value of y. We do not leave the answer in improper fraction form. At this point, we can change. 17 into 27, it will go into 17 one time. And the remainder is going to be 10. 10 over 17. Same applies to this one. 17 into 22, it will go into 17 one time. The remainder will be 5 over 17. Therefore, our point of intersection is 1, 10 over 17, 1, 5 over 17. This is a comma. That is our point of intersection. This is how we find the point of intersection. The bottom line, as long as two lines are intersecting, then at such a point, their respective equations are equal. You equate them. After equating them, the first thing that you find x. When you find x, get the value of x and substitute it into one of the equations. After doing that, you'll be able to find the value of y. Then x, comma, y, like this. Same applies to this one. So this marks the end of the lesson. This marks the end of our lesson. Please, if you have not subscribed, this is the time to do so, because every day we'll be posting videos, and it's important that every time we post a video, you are the first to be notified. Where you need to comment, you need to ask something, do not hesitate. We value your support, we value your contribution, be it positive or negative. Welcome once more, and thank you very much for having watched the video. Please share the video with others. Let other lovers of mathematics enjoy the mathematics that we are doing on this platform. It's mathematics all the way until Jesus Christ comes. Take a minute of your time and imagine the world without mathematics. We cannot be able to calculate or count the time without the use of mathematics. The calendar that we use is a product of mathematics. We only get to know that this is the year 2020 by the use of mathematics, by following the calendar mathematically. the population of any country is a product of mathematics. You only get to know that it takes 9 months for a baby to be born through the use of mathematics. In the medical field, temperature is calculated using mathematics. In the business world, profit and loss is only appreciated by the use of mathematics. A bricklayer uses mathematics to calculate the number of bricks needed for that construction. A carpenter uses mathematics to calculate the gradient of the roof before the roof is put up. A policeman has to count the number of prisoners in that police cell through mathematics. A thief should be able to calculate the hypotenuse of that brick wall before falling off that brick wall. We all need mathematics. Mathematics runs the world.